Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm just kidding. I'm with the woodpecker, so I'm gonna see if I can get in the window. I don't know if it's closed or open. Let's see. I completely missed. Alright, now let's do this again. I completely missed again! Now let's start it again. I'm gonna try to jump in the window. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright, now we're gonna see what happens when I hit the car. I got stick up on the car. So let me just get my Sandra, get me down. Alright, 3, 2, 1. What is that? There's a trail of water leading to Woody. I peed myself. Yeah, I'm just kidding. That's like from a water bottle or something. Alright, so now we're gonna go inside the car. Everybody help me. Where did I land? I might have landed right there. Oh my god. OMG. Like, look at the Woody. You want to see something cool? Hold on. Let me grab this box. Going up the stairs, guys. How cool is that? Gonna put myself in the box. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I died! No, I'm just kidding. I just got a little knocked. What is it, Mom? Why? I don't want to play with chalk. I want to do fun things. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm gonna put myself in the box again. Okay, I can barely see on the camera. I'm gonna put myself in the box again. I'm gonna go. Whee! Apparently the box landed. For God's sakes, what is this world come to? Boxes land when they come off of slides? What the heck? Now let me put the phone in here. Let's see what happens. Apparently the phone landed. Now let's put the phone in the box. See what happens on the stairs. Ooh. So apparently it fell out of the box. So I'm gonna do this again. What did I do? Guys, you know what? It's probably 100%. So if the phone died, let me